Today, I'm going to show you how to use our online tool, Subtitle Extractor, to extract subtitles that are already embedded in a video, also known as hard subtitles. So, what are hard subtitles? They're the subtitles that have been burned directly into the video image. You can't turn them off, and you can't just export them. If you want to make them editable, translatable, and downloadable as a subtitle file, that's exactly where our tool comes in. Alright, let's get started. First, open our website and choose the Subtitle Extractor feature. Step 1. Select your video. Here, we'll use a sample video. Step 2. Select the detection area. This means choosing the region where the subtitles appear. By default, the tool will automatically detect it, which is super convenient for common cases like dramas, movies, or short videos. If you have special needs, for example, you only want subtitles from a certain part of the screen, you can switch to manual mode and draw a box around the area you want. Any text inside that box will be recognized as subtitles. Once you confirm, you can move on. In most cases, automatic detection is enough, so let's just go to the next step. Step 3. Choose the subtitle language. Simply pick the language that matches your video's subtitles. The tool supports Chinese, English, Korean, Japanese, traditional Chinese, and more. In our example, the subtitles are in Chinese, so we'll select Chinese. Then click Create Task, and that's it. Super easy. Next, just wait while our site processes the video. The longer the video, the more time it will take. After the task is created, you can even close the window and later check the progress under My Tasks. Let's wait for this one to finish. Once it's done, you'll see the result page with 3 options. First, you can click View to preview the extracted subtitles along with their timestamps, making sure everything lines up correctly. If you'd like to create bilingual subtitles, just click Translate, and the tool will instantly convert the results into another language. And finally, when you're ready to use the subtitles in editing software or upload them directly to a video platform, simply click Download to get an SRT file that's ready to go. Let's click View to check the result. You can see the subtitle, text, and by switching views, you can also see the timestamps. These perfectly match the original video. If you download and compare, you'll notice the subtitles are completely in sync with the video. Playing it back shows the timing is spot on.
总而言之 ，AI 视频技术是一把强大的双刃剑，它在赋能创意、革新产业的同时，也带来了前所未有的技术和伦理挑战。
And that's it. That's what our tool can do. If you need help or support, feel free to leave a comment or visit the help page on our website. Thanks for watching.